Hi my darlings, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing okay. So in today's video we're going to be making this yummy fried rice, and these are the ingredients we'll be using. I have butter, minced garlic, ginger, and 4 eggs, and I have 2 cups of mixed frozen vegetables to add some pop of colors to our rice. I have my 2 cups of chicken and my white rice. I also have scallion onions and all the other sauces. I have olive oil, soy sauce, sesame seed oil, and oyster flavored sauce. I have my salt and my black pepper. So guys, let's get into the video. Okay, the measurement is going to be in the description box. So first off, I started off by heating my pot, and then I added my olive oil and some butter. You all know I love to mix those two together because the taste they add to my food is a bomb. Okay, and next up I added my chicken and I sauteed that for a while, and then I put my black pepper, just a little bit for some flavor. And guys, I'm not going to be putting a lot of spice in the meat, but you can customize it to your taste and however you want it to be. Okay, so I went ahead to saute this until the freshness of the chicken disappeared. No, I don't know where it disappeared to, but I sauteed it to this till the redness of the chicken went away, and then I went ahead to add my soy sauce to add some flavors to the chicken, and that was to make the chicken to be a bit juicier than normal. Okay, and so I went ahead to continue to stir fry. I stir fried this until the whole liquid in there almost dried out, and then in another pot I added my butter to make my egg. And for the egg, I didn't add anything to the egg because I want the egg to suck up the whole yumminess from the rice. So this is plain. And once the egg was ready, I took it out in a bowl, and in the same pan I added olive oil and some butter, and I added my minced garlic and my ginger. I allowed that to disintegrate, to bring out all the goodness of it. Okay, and guys, I went ahead to add my mixed vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your choice, but in here what I have is carrots, green peas, corn, green beans. That's it, but you can add anything else that you want in there. It's all depend on what you like and what you enjoy. But guys, just look how colorful this thing is looking, and how yummy it will be. So guys, at this point I went ahead to add my scallion onions. If we didn't add that in the beginning, it's because that one doesn't really require a lot of heat. Okay, and we continued to stir fry for a while, and I added in my sesame seed oil for some flavor. Okay, so guys, with this, I don't actually have a measurement for the sauces. You can just add according to your taste. Okay, but for now that's all I used. And next up, we're going to go back to our chicken, and our chicken is ready. You see how juicy it's looking, and then I went ahead to add my vegetables into the chicken. So if you're stopping by here for the first time, hello there, my name is Ogechi, and I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. Welcome to the family. In here we make delicious meal, simple, and if you like the kind of content we're making, please consider subscribing to become part of our family. We'll be happy to have you here. So guys, moving on, we're going to add our white rice. My darlings, this recipe comes out better if made with a cold leftover rice that has been in the fridge. It adds more flavor. I just believe that once the rice is cold, and you add in the sauce before it gets hot enough, the flavor, the taste, and everything just takes time to get into the rice and blend so well. The taste is usually heavenly. So guys, as you can see, I went ahead to add our fried egg, and now I try to scrambled the egg even more and I mixed it. So adding the egg now is going to get a taste from the rice. If I had added any seasoning to it, now the taste might have not unified and leaving the egg to become too salty or something else. So I went ahead to add my oyster flavored sauce and my soy sauce. And notice how I added the soy sauce at the edges of the pan and letting it to bring out that smoke taste. So guys, at this point you want to taste and see if you need to adjust your seasoning, and then adjust your seasoning to your taste. If you're someone that like it spicy, you can add hot sauce or some spicy chili that can make it spicy. And now I went ahead to stir fry this for about 5 more minutes so that everything can blend well, and that's it. Our rice is ready. You can go ahead and serve and enjoy. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me on the comment section if you'll be giving this recipe a try. So guys, stay safe, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.